13th April Scientific Events History. 1742, Swedish botanist Carl Linnaeus published the first edition of his landmark book Systema Naturae, which laid the groundwork for modern taxonomy and classification of plants and animals. 1970, an oxygen tank explosion aboard the Apollo 13 spacecraft threatened the lives of the three-man crew, but they were able to make it back to Earth safely thanks to the heroic efforts of mission control and the astronauts themselves. 1984, NASA's first spacewalk conducted by two astronauts at the same time took place during the STS-41C mission. The spacewalkers were Bruce McCandless II and Robert L. Stewart, who tested the new Manned Maneuvering Unit, MMU, and performed maintenance tasks on the Challenger spacecraft. 1997, the Tiger Woods Foundation was established by the famous professional golfer to promote education and provide opportunities for underprivileged children. The foundation has since raised millions of dollars for charitable causes. 2016, the LIGO collaboration announced the first detection of gravitational waves, a phenomenon predicted by Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity. The discovery confirmed one of the last major predictions of Einstein's theory and opened up a new era of astronomy that can study the universe in a way that is fundamentally different from traditional telescopes.